Part 3, Organ Systems. This morning on your walk to class, many parts of your body were involved in the exercise that you did. These include your skin, your bones, your heart, your lungs, your mouth, and your stomach. None of these body parts functions on its own. Each part is an organ which forms part of a body system. The organs that make up each organ system work together to perform a certain task or function. For example, the organs of your digestive system work together to break down food to supply your body cells with the energy and nutrients they need to survive. The following charts describe some of your body's organ systems. The circulatory system. The structures include the heart, the blood, the arteries, and the veins. The function of this system is to transport oxygen, food, and other substances through the body. And of course, that transport is done with the blood. They also transport some waste to other organs for elimination, and we'll talk about this a little later. They defend the body against diseases, again, things found in the blood, and they connect all your organ systems. Factors that help functioning of your circulatory system: keeping your arteries clear of cholesterol, which is around diet, and good exercise. The respiratory system. The structures include the nose, mouth, trachea or windpipe, bronchi, and lungs. The function of this system is to transport oxygen from outside into the blood, and it transports carbon dioxide from in the blood out of the body. How do you keep it healthy? Keep the structures clear of harmful pollutants, such as tar from cigarette smoke, and can stay free of colds and allergies. The digestive system. This includes the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the liver, and the intestines. Its function is to break down food pieces into much smaller pieces or particles, so they can be absorbed and transported throughout the body. This begins in your mouth with chewing, further enhanced by digestion by saliva. Then it moves down into your stomach where it's further digested, and into your intestines where the particles are actually absorbed, and then eventually it moves out of the body. But again, we'll talk about that a little bit later. How do you keep it functioning well? Eat a well-balanced diet and take in plenty of water. The muscular system. Structures include muscles and tendons. It moves the bones and moves organs that contain muscle tissue, such as the heart and stomach. So your heart is a muscle, and to keep it beating is the work of your muscular system. Factors that help functioning is exercising your muscles. Your skeletal system. Structures include bones and cartilage. The function is to provide a movable support frame for your body. So unlike insects, our bones and structures on the inside, we call that an endo or inside skeleton, where an insect has an exo or outside skeleton. It also protects soft tissues and organs such as the heart and lungs. So if you look here, you can see the rib cage. Inside that would be the heart and lungs, and it would keep it well protected. Our brain, of course, is encased inside our skull and kept safe there. How do you keep it functioning well? Make sure you exercise and get lots of calcium. Bones need calcium. Your nervous system. This one has lots of structures. It has your brain, your spinal cord, eyes, ears, and other sensing organs. So these would be things like your hand, your tongue, your nose, all those. What it does is it coordinates and controls the actions of all the organs. Your nervous system basically tells your body what to do. It takes in outside information that you see, smell, hear, taste, feel, makes a decision, and tells your body what to do. So it detects and processes and responds to changes in the environment. That's what I said. It tells you what you're seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, feeling. Factors that help it: you want to make sure you get enough rest and stay away from stimulants like caffeine and depressants like alcohol. The excretory system. This includes your kidney, bladder, lungs, and skin. What does it do? It removes chemical and gaseous waste from the blood. So for example, CO2 is removed from the lungs, urine is removed by the kidneys and into the bladder. How do you help it function? Eat a well-balanced diet and drink plenty of water. You want to, the integumentary system. The structure is your skin. It protects the interior of the body by providing an external barrier. It also senses pain, pressure, and temperature, which, if you remember back to the nervous system, is then monitored and analyzed by your brain and then your nervous system will go ahead and tell your body what to do based on that. How to keep it functioning well: protect it from ultraviolet radiation, so things like sunscreen, covering up with a hat, drink lots of water, and try and avoid getting cuts, scratches, and punctures. All right, you want to go ahead and go back and review the sheets if you want, or review parts of the video if you want, and then we'll move on to the questions.